NetScout can help diagnose exactly why performance is slow and provide evidence for appropriate escalation in VMware environments. First off, this is the Ingenious One dashboard. It presents high-level smart data calculated from the packets flowing between the VMs in this environment of everything that Ingenious One is currently monitoring. I know I'll be concentrating on an NSX-T for the demo, but I wanted to show that we can manage multiple domains forward in a single pane of glass. We're showing each domain in the same way, with the same metrics, no matter which cloud, because we're using the packets as our source of truth to calculate the smart data. We see here NSX-T ESXi hosts, VMware Cloud and AWS, then AWS EC2 as well as a colo, so that's a multi-cloud perspective. We see every service edge as well as into the server edge. In our case, NSX-T for advanced troubleshooting. So when we're troubleshooting applications which may span multiple clouds, we have an app view as well. Here's our CRM application. Remember, this is in an NSX-T, so micro-segmented and secure, but we still have full smart data visibility. This view reveals the performance of all the layers of the application, the front end, stock, offers, Oracle, and EC2 in this case, MySQL, NFS, Active Directory, and DNS layers. Let's concentrate on the stock manager layer and drill in and find out what's going on. The service monitor displays the performance of the VMs in the stock application layer in detail based on smart data. This reveals two discovered stock services, stock M1 and stock M2. It presents metrics such as number of transactions, successes and failures, fast or slow, and average response time for each of the VMs. First, let's focus on total transactions. Stock 1 has far fewer transactions than Stock 2, so Stock 1 is not pulling its weight. But look at latency. Average response time for Stock 1 is 133 milliseconds compared with Stock 2 at 25 milliseconds. This is pretty significant. We now know that Stock 1 is much slower and cannot cope with the high volume of traffic and probably is causing those users to complain about their application performance. Remember, this user experience information or smart data is calculated from the packets flowing between the various application layers, in this case, transactions to and from the stock application layer. And for Stock 1, it's real slow. Now, as part of the VMware integration, you can see what hosts and how these servers have been configured in terms of CPU and memory. The slow Stock 1 server has 1 VCP, 1 GB of memory, and is sitting on host ESXi24. The working Stock 2 server with 4 vCPUs, 8 GB of memory, and sitting on host 25. By combining the performance information from Ingenious One smart data with the infrastructure information from vCenter, we can now start to escalate and fix things. The NetScout smart data has provided evidence of a slow application server. You cannot get this type of information from infrastructure alone, nor other network-based information such as logs or NetFlow. Once again, this level of analysis and ability to significantly reduce MTTR only exists when you have packet-level analysis and DPI at scale from every edge of your enterprise. And again, only NetScout's ingenious performance management platform can deliver this for you. We'd love to tell you more about this new and revolutionary way of monitoring every edge of your enterprise to solve even the most complex problems.